everybody, so I am here with a really great girl who you need to know, Suzanne Hall from the Chalkboard Mag, and we're doing a series of videos, and today the topic is beauty obsessions.
Yes.
Things we can't live without. All right, so Suzanne, I mean, this obviously, Suzanne is editor-in-chief, so she is the person to talk about beauty obsessions because she'll get everything that's new and really cool crossing her desk, almost like the first port of call will be the Chalkboard magazine. And
it's almost a problem.
Hello.
You know.
It's a very nice problem to have. But both Suzanne and I spend a great deal of our time. That was an alarm that went off, which is a little bit weird, but don't worry. We spend a great deal of our time reviewing beauty products. So, current obsessions,
Yes, current obsessions for beauty. I thought I would start with something unusual, a supplement, not unusual to you or your readers probably, but this is astaxanthin, and I love this for skincare. So, is this okay?
Yes, okay. Just go, talk about it. Everyone's like, are you sure this is okay? But
I'm obsessed with this. So this is like, if you're into collagen, this is your next step. Astaxanthin is incredible for keeping your skin even and tight in the sun, which is a problem for me. I have such pale skin. So I tried this on a Hawaiian vacation. My skin stayed even. It didn't get mottled when I got a tan, and I was sold.
Really?
It's incredible. It is vegan. I actually have to check that doesn't have any seafood byproduct like fish scales.
Yeah. Well, whatever. But you know, we'll put the information underneath the video.
Yeah, it might be related.
Don't worry. Information underneath the video. But anyway, amazing. No, we haven't heard of that, have we? In my little thing. So that's great. Okay, I'm gonna go on then. Oh, how do I get on the back of something so unusual and cutting edge? Let's talk about this. Let's talk about Lolli. Okay, so Lolli Beauty is now you're checking labels.
Yep.
So she's totally freaked out now. So Lolli Beauty is so amazing, Suzanne. It comes in a box. They do these boxes. It's blend your own beauty. But this in particular I wanted to share because it's their plum serum, and it's my obsession now because it's the next generation of, we've done the argan oils, we've done the you know, a lot of those cold pressed plant oils, but this is different. This plum serum, it has these oils in it that to me take it to the whole next level of nourishing cold pressed raw plant oils for your skin. And this particular serum is beyond. Over to you. What's your next obsession?
Okay, I'm obsessed with mists in general, right?
Me too.
Every girl in our office has one on her desk.
Gotta have mist, yes.
And there's one for every skin type. This one from Allies of Skin, the Savior Mist. I happen to think
I've heard of it.
This is the best mist I've tried.
And it's called the Savior Mist.
Yes, it's called the Molecular Savior Mist. There's something very hydrating about this. A facialist told me to go without any product for a couple days, just water cleanse and use a moisturizer. I water cleansed and used this about a month ago, and my skin completely evened out, and I was able to kind of reboot my skin. If you ever get like skincare junkie overload, it sounds scary, but water cleanse, and I loved this mist as my cleanser.
It smells incredible as well. You just sprayed it and it's just,
You have to kind of keep up with it throughout the day a couple times, but really, really great moisture.
Oh gosh,
and light.
Love it. I need to try that. That's going to become my next obsession. All right, so we're talking about moisture. So I'm going to talk about two products by, have you heard of Pure Cuticles?
I don't know that I
Do you know, this is what's so great about us being together because we both are beauty editors and we are just turning each other onto all these products right now. Okay, so Pure Cuticles, she actually is an esthetician in Los Angeles. So you have to go and see in Santa Monica. And she makes these highly potent anti-aging skincare products that really change your skin. And this is my new obsession. It's a little duo. It's the Advanced Firming Anti-Aging Serum, and it has the Advanced Cellular Regenerating Cream. And you use them together, Suzanne, and the results...
Whatever you're doing, I'm like, tell me.
Well, I'm the same with you. I'm like, whatever you're doing. So we'll just double up. But honestly, those two, if you want some serious anti-aging stuff going on, that's a duo definitely check out. Check. Over to you.
That's
check.
Next.
Yeah.
Okay, this is another one that I'm absolutely obsessed with, the capital O. This is a clay mask. Sounds boring until you realize that it has colostrum.
Oh. Wow.
Vitamin C, pearl powder.
Yeah.
And it's also L-ascorbic acid, which is a really great high quality vitamin C. This brand is Alitura. We actually found this at Erewhon.
Oh, I love Erewhon, my favorite health food store.
And we are going crazy for this brand. This clay comes with a gold serum and a derma roller.
Oh my gosh.
And
check it out.
It's our team can't get over it. It's like what we do at night now. This is our new life.
Oh.
This clay mask will, you put it on for about 15 minutes and your skin almost looks like you have a mild sunburn because the circulation
just draws in.
It just draws so well, and then your skin of course fades to normal and you're just glowing.
Oh my gosh, don't worry, the alarm's going off and there's something, I think the battery's low. Amazing. I don't actually, because of the colostrum, it's not vegan, but that's totally fine. So for you vegans out there, you probably wouldn't use it, but for you non-vegans, then give it a whirl.
Give it a try.
Okay, oh gosh, how do I top all these things?
I mean, tell me about this lip gloss.
Okay, okay, thank you. Right, the lip gloss, because Suzanne eyed the color and she's like, I need, so one's for you.
I'm so excited. This is a hard to find color in natural beauty for some reason.
It really is. This brand is called Lip Pop, the actual gloss. It is by Aleve. They are based in Austin, Texas. They are an incredible, clean, beautiful makeup brand. Their eye palette is my favorite eye palette that I've ever owned. I think it's called the Little Black Dress or something like that. But anyway, they're very, they're huge on lip products. And this one, try it. You can try it right now.
I already have some on. It'll like get all goopy.
Oh my god, taste me.
It's perfect.
It's pretty,
this color
isn't it?
that I called, it's like pink gold, but then it's purple.
Oh my god, it's so perfect. And what is it called, the color? Because I haven't got my
Chicago.
Chicago, okay? So it's called Chicago. We'll link to it underneath. You literally need to get it right away.
This is very exciting. Okay, this is another supplement.
Yes?
For beauty. It's called UVO. They market it as kind of UV from the inside. You add it to your water like you would like an emergency vitamin C packet. But it's packed with anti-aging skin ingredients that really impressed me. I can't even like read them all on the back of this.
They're so tiny.
Milk thistle is one.
Yeah,
so there's a lot of great stuff for like circulation, for your liver
cleansing. Yes,
so this is kind of exciting. This is going with me on all my vacations. You'll kind of have to look at their site, UVO.
What a great innovative thing. Sort of, you know, skincare, sun protection from the inside out.
Yes, we discovered this in San Diego, where the girls are all about sun.
They're all surfing.
But the ingredient list is like a mile long, and it's like incredibly packed with stuff for your skin.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you for that heads up. Okay, I'm going to go on to VOGUE, which is another one that Suzanne hadn't heard about. And they are based here in LA. They sell them at L1.
Oh, great. Okay.
And I love this brand. She is so beautiful, the founder of it, that you look at her and she's one of these women, she has this dark, lustrous hair down to hair, this perfect complexion, Alison, and you're like, I actually want to look like Alison. Yeah, like in another lifetime, obviously me, would I look like Alison, but nonetheless, I'm very jealous of the way she looks. But they have hair care and they have skin care. And I can only say that any of the products that you try, when I was doing a live stream in L1, and I was looking at I was at her counter, her end cap, and about 3 people came by, youngish, gorgeous girls, and they went, oh my gosh, I got the samples from VOGUE, used them, and I have never, unsolicited, they came back. So she does, body wash, she does, and I think one of her hero products is her Midnight Serum, which is a beautiful serum you put on at night, but VOGUE definitely. Are you out of products?
I have one more.
Oh, one more, go.
Really quick, because I feel like this is probably familiar to your audience.
Yes,
Have you guys talked about this a bunch?
I did a video that I included it, but go, because I love it.
We've talked about this so much, the Jade Roller. It's kind of had its big moment here in LA for the past few years. And once you try it, you won't be able to live without it. Jade stays very cool to the skin, and these just roll along. I am obsessed with this in the morning, so if you wake up with puffy eyes or you just want to get your skin circulation going before you apply your serums, this little guy, you roll it everywhere. We have some stories on the site about acupressure points that really get the blood flowing. So it's like up the neck, up the chin, get your lymph going.
Oh, love it.
It's subtle, but it has an actual effect every day. It's worth taking the time to do.
Yeah, and you can pop it in the fridge in the summer as well.
Yeah.
Okay, finally, there is a brand that I love, another one, that is really, it's like green technology, you know, green science.
Yeah.
And they really have sort of worked this out. And they work with a lot of like skin scarring and things like that. They have incredible creams that heal scarring on skin. I love all their products, but this one is new to me and I'm a little bit obsessed. It's the Brightening Cream Cleanser. Gently exfoliates and promotes pH balance. But what I like about it is that it's not one of those exfoliants that actually is mechanical and could micro tear your skin.
Yeah.
It's very, very gentle, and you just, you know, you can use it morning and night, and it's just...
You can use it daily.
Daily, morning and night, and it exfoliates without stripping your skin. So it's a product that I love, and KBS is a brand that I love. So look at that, my friends. You've got all these new things to try. Some vegan, some not. I think pretty much everything, you know, cruelty-free, or hopefully. But links are underneath, and as usual, Suzanne, it is amazing to sit here and chat with you. Check out our series, because we're doing a whole series of videos with lots of really good fun stuff. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, there are hundreds more. And please also visit my blog at sophieuliano.com for detailed reviews, recipes, DIYs, and more.